What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video, creating a sketch illustration of a white tiger. For today's lesson, we'll need a sketch pad and something to draw with. I'm using this 0.7mm mechanical pencil with a 2B graphite stick. I'll leave a full list of all my art supplies with links in the description below. Let's start today's lesson by sketching a line going across the center of our page, from left to right. So we'll start on the left side, going all the way across towards the right. And then in the center page, let's sketch a line coming up and then down. Now we're going to use these two lines to help us block out the basic shape of the head. Now I'm going to start on the top left side of our page with the ear. Starting from the center line, just going to angle this down and across. Let's go to the top right. Just going to go up, round out the ear, and then come down towards the left side, towards the bottom of that line. Now from the base of the ear, we're going to follow this all the way across towards the right. To right about here, sketch a circle for the eye. Let's continue that line going all the way across to right about here towards the bridge of the nose. We're just going to mark this off. Now slope the forehead. We're going to go up, then across. Now we're going to angle this up and then in towards the right side of the ear, to right about there. Now I want to continue the slope all the way down towards the right side of our page. Now I want to curve the head going out and then down beside the ear. Now you want to turn the head slightly towards the back of our right shoulder. So we're going to see the back ear. So right here, it's going to angle this up and forward. And it comes straight down. Let's add points on the outside of the eyes. We're going to go out toward the left and back in towards the bottom. Go out towards the right and then back in. And then from the bottom of the eye, we're going to step all the way down to right about here. Sketch a line going all the way across from left to right. Now right where these two lines meet, we're going to add in the nose. We're going to come down and then back up like an upside down triangle. From the tip, just angle this down towards the chin. Now we're going to go up to the top right, draw that same angled line. And then we're going to move down, draw a straight line going across and over towards the left. From the bottom of the mouth on the right side, we're going to step in, follow that angled line coming down. It's going to get a slight angle going up towards the left. And then directly underneath the eye, we're going to draw a straight line coming down the front of the body. Now this is a pretty crude representation of our drawing, so we're going to go back in and start adding some more details. Let's start by defining the edge of the jaw. So we start underneath the ear, and then out, and then down towards the bottom, and then pull that back in towards the chin. Now I want to go back and clean up our drawing by erasing some of these guidelines. Let's use this rough sketch as a guide to help us refine the shape. I'm going to start with the eyes. We'll start with the bottom edge, just drawing a half oval, coming down. In the center, just add a small oval for the pupil, lightly shade that in. Now I want to add that dark trim around the eyes. So we start on the right, we're just going to work our way out, going around the eye. I'm just going to work our way out towards the stripes. Coming down towards the bottom of the eye, then across. Let's go and just lightly shade that in. And add a few stripes going around. So just working our way out from the eye. You're using the eye as a measure for distance. And then continue to go out, up towards the top of the head, just adding these stripes. Now we're just roughing these in. We don't need to get too detailed. Just going to block in the stripes. Just adding the major stripes going across the cheeks. Now from here, we're just going to add some shape to the bridge of the nose. Just going to scoop this down, going out towards the nose. We'll add some shape to the nose, going up and around. Just going to darken out that bottom patch around the corner of the mouth. Again, just roughing this in. And now we're just going to go back and add some more shape and detail to the ears. We start with the outside profile first, just adding some folds across the bottom, adding some rough fur texture across the base of the ear, and then lightly shading the dark areas. Now going in, just roughly blocking in those spots, going around the top of the head. Now just working our way around the side. Just want to get the general shape, coming up. And again, just roughly shading that in. And I'm just going to block in those spots across the top of the head. Now working our way across the muzzle. Just adding those stripes where the whiskers go. And then once we finished our rough sketch, we're going to go back and just clean up our drawing before we get into more shading and detail. Once we're happy with a rough sketch, we're going to go back in and start adding some more contrast and detail. Now, I always like to start back at the eyes. I'm just going to add some glare along the inside, going up, and just lightly shading the top of the eye. And I'm just going to darken up that patch going around. Also adding a little bit of fur texture along the outside edge. So just pulling these lines going up and then out. Let's work our way along the bottom of the eye. Then yeah, just working our way out, just adding some more detail to those stripes. And you can see that I'm just enhancing the fur texture and the direction with these short lines. Just going around that patch. Now I'm just lightly brushing the fur across the head. Now once we finish tracing out our contours, I'm going to go back in with the side edge of my pencil and add a light shadow and shade. So I'm just going to start with the inside of the ear and just going to soften up that shadow, going out and then working our way around the eyes. Going in towards the brow. Now we're going to go back in and start refining the fur textures. So we're going to start in the dark areas and just pull these lines going up. So you create these little points of white coming down, so it looks like it's being brushed across. We can almost go from the top coming down. So it's like a continuation of that fur. So let's start with the outside of the jaw first, the jawline, going around the head. And then going from the top coming down. You can also work that fur inside the shadow areas. as we get near the end, we're just going to tighten up our shadows and add a little bit more detail, and always be sure to sign our artwork, and that's pretty much it. There's a sketch illustration of a white tiger. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single week. And if you want more details on the art supplies we used today, I'll leave a full list with links in the description below. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.